going to have two ratios and they need to be equal to each other. So if I look at a proportion and I want to make sure that they're equal to each other, I can use the property of proportions, which is on page 178, and it says if the product of the means equals the product of the extremes, then the ratios form a proportion. So if I take a look at two proportions, like or one proportion which is made up of two ratios, and I'm looking at example 3, it says tell whether each pair of ratios forms a proportion, and it has 3/4 and it has 36/48. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the top number on the left and multiply it by the bottom number on the right, and then the same thing with the bottom number on the left and the top number on the right. And if those two things come out equal, then it is a proportion. So we're going to take 3 times 48, and we get 144. And we're going to take 4 times 36, and we get 144. So this is a proportion. So yes, it is a proportion. If, when you multiply those two, they come out and they're not equal, then they're not a proportion. So like on part B, again, this is page 178, example 3, 5/16 and 7/22. When I multiply, 5 times 22 is 110, and 16 times 7 is 112. So those two things are not equal, so no, this is not a proportion. So that's what you're looking at for the property of proportions.